Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel 1F Banking Sales. Go to the instruction file. So our assignment title is the Excel 1F Banking Sales. If you want to complete assignment or exam, you can contact on my WhatsApp link and email. If you want to complete MylTLab courses, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses, accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, and other courses. We can move to the question number one. So question number one is open the file student Excel 1F banking sale download with this project. Go to the Excel worksheet. I have already downloaded the Excel file. We can move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is merge and center the title and then the subtitle across the column A to F and apply the title and heading 1 cell style respectively. Merge and center the title and subtitle column A to F. Select column A to F1 to F1 is the select the range and merge and center the title. Go to the home tab, go to the alignment group, click the merge and center, and then subtitle across the column A to F, apply the title and heading 1 cell style. Select the range A2 to F2 and go to the alignment group, click the merge and center. Apply the title and heading 1 cell style. Select the title, go to the style group, click the cell style. Is the apply the title and heading 1 cell style. Select the subtitle, heading 2 cell style. Heading 2 cell style. Sorry, heading 1 cell style. So question number 2 is a complete. We can move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is make a cell, even the active cell, and then check the spelling in your worksheet. Correct the bulletin to bulletin. Select the column A and then set the column with this 24 and select the column B and set the column with this 12. So make sure is the cell A1 is active cell and then check the spelling in your worksheets. Go to the review tab, go to the proofing group, click the spelling checking and click the change your spell check complete. You are good to go, click OK. And select the column A with this 24. Select the column A and right click and click the with column with is 24. Click OK. And select the column B, set the column with this 12. Column E and column with this 12. Right click the column with this 12. Click OK. So question number 3 is the complete. We can move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is in a cell E4 construct a formula to calculate the total sales of Mulberry muffin mix by the multiplying The quantity sold time is the retail price. Copy the formula down through the remaining products. In the cell E4 is the constructor formula. Select the cell is E4. A construct a formula. Calculate the total sales Burberry muffin mix multiply the quantity sold time and retail price. Burberry muffin mix type is equal to and select the cell as quantity sold multiplier retail price. Press enter and copy the formula down for the remaining products. So question number 4 is the complete. We can move to the question number 5. So question number 5 is a select the range E4 to E10. Select the range E4 to E10 and then use the quick analysis tool to sum the total sales for all products which will be formatted in a box to totals in a cell E11. Select the range E4 to E10, copy the range and paste the range, press enter and then use the quick analysis sum the total sales all products which will be formatted in a board which will be in the boards. Click on total, click the sum formatted in a board to the total cells cell in E11 apply the total cell style. Select the cell is E11, apply the total cell style, go to the home tab, go to the style group, click the cell style, apply the total cell style. So question number 5 is a complete. We can move to the question number 6. So question number 6 is using the absolute cell reference as an accessory so that you can copy the formula in a cell F4. Construct a formula to calculate the percent of total sales for the first products. Copy the formula down for the remaining products using the absolute cell reference accessory so that you can copy the formula in a cell F4. Construct a formula to calculate the total sale and first products. Select the F4 type is equal to and select the total sales divided by a E11 and apply the absolute cell reference. Press F4 button, press enter and copy the formula down through the remaining products. Copy the formula. So question number 6 is the complete. We can move to the question number 7. So question number 7 is to the computed percentage apply the percent style with the two decimal places and then center the percentage. Apply the percent style and two decimal places. Select the range and apply the percent style. Go to the home tab, go to the number group, click the percentage and two decimal places. The number and apply the two decimal places, click OK. And the center of the percentage. Go to the home tab, go to the alignment group, click the center. So question number 7 is a complete. We can move to the question number 8. So question number 8 is apply the commerce style with the no decimal places to the quantity source figure to cell D4, E4 and D11. Apply the accounting number format. Apply the comma style 0 decimal places to the quantity source figure. The comma style and 2 decimal places. And to cell D4, E4 and E11. Select the cell as D4, D4, E4 and E11. Apply the accounting number formats. Go to the home tab, go to the number group, click the accounting number formats, and next cell is E4. E4 is the accounting number formats. Click OK. And last is the cell E11. Apply the accounting number formats. Cell is E11. Apply the accounting number formats. Click OK. So question number 8 is the complete. We can move to the question number 9. So question number 9 is to the range D5 to E10 apply the comma style. Copy the range D5 to E10 and paste the range. Press enter. D4 to E10 and apply the comma style. The comma style. Question number 9 is complete. We can move to the question number 10. So question number 10 is change the retail price of the Provin mix 7.929 and then quantity sold is the mix bread mix is the 425. Change the retail price. Click the column is retail price is the Provin mix. Provin mix. Change the value is the cell B5 is the 7.29. Copy the value is 7.29. 7.29. 29. Press enter. And then quantity source is the pumping bread mix is the 425. The quantity source column is the pumping bread mix. Pumping bread mix is the 425. So pumping bread mix is the change the value is 425. Press enter. So question number 10 is the complete. We can move to the question number 11. So question number 11 is delete the column B, insert the new row 3. In a cell A3, type the months endings. My is 31 and then merge and center the text across the range A3 to E3. Apply the heading to cell style. Delete the column B. Select the column B. Right click and click the delete column B. Insert the new row 3. Select the row 3, right click and click the insert a new row 3. Insert the new row 3 in a cell A3 is the type the month ending May 31. Copy the title and paste the cell as A3. Press enter and then merge and center the text across the range A3 to E3. Copy the value and paste the value, press enter and apply the merge and center the text A3 to E3. Go to the home time, go to the alignment code, click the merge and center and apply the adding to cell style. Go to the style group, click the cell style is the heading to cell style, then to cell style. So question number 11 is a complete. We can move to the question number 12. So question number 12 is a to cell A12 apply the 20% SN1 cell style. Select the cell as A12 and apply the 20% SN1 cell style. Go to the style group and 20% SN1 cell style. 20% SN 20% SN1 cell style. So question number 12 is a complete. We can move to the question number 13. Select the 4-column title 1 2 3 4 4-column title and apply the wrap text and middle align the wrap text and middle align and center alignments and then apply the heading 3 cell style heading 3 cell style A1 and save the worksheet.